Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, so yeah, in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off Google Discover on Samsung Galaxy A36. Alright guys, so yeah, if you don't know what Google Discover is, so Google Discover is a screen on the left side on the home screen that contains information or news or advertisement from Google. And usually Google Discover use up quite a bit of internet data, so in this time I will just turn it off. And how to do that is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright guys, so the first thing first, now you can see the Google Discover on the left side like this. And to turn it off, now you can pinch on the home screen and then click on settings and then scroll down a little bit, and then here now you can turn off the Google Discover so it will not display again on the left side of your home screen. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial and thank you so much for watching.